flashlight. There's my phone.
Oh. Yeah, get some still shots of this shit, dude. There's a whole camera sitting there.
I can turn video into still shots.
Oh my goodness. Okay, don't.
Fine, I'll get some still shots. That light helping?
Yes. Actually, that and I pre-bent the wire, man, which was fucking, it's gonna make it fucking rough with this one. But the natural bend of the wire is going exactly 100% not the way I need it to be fucking going, dude. Like, it wants to curl up and away from everything work related.
Yeah. Okay, so the trick to that thing, by the way,
Yeah.
it's the CPU is the worst one to put in. Yeah, you got it. You got it.
Yeah. No, it's just getting the right bend on this other one, or so it'll go in right for me.
Yeah, it's. I never said this process was fun. I do think I just spent like almost an hour trying to retool the everything and get all the cables correct for the cable management. It's fucking tedious.
Okay. Those two are done. Now, this one, I'll put it in last. See where it goes. So,
So those plug into the hard drive.
These.
Yeah, you just need one. Oh, great. The CD drive is somewhere around here. When you want to install that piece of shit.
Huh?
The CD drive is somewhere around here as well.
Oh, yeah, wherever.
Yeah.
Okay, which one is that?
What, the CD drive?
This one?
No, that does not plug into the CD drive.
Oh. Okay.
That's the 12-volt rail. That's for the motherboard.
Oh. Okay. Alright then. Anyway.
12 volt rail is probably not even the correct thing. Anyways, it's 12 volts something.
So this gets plugged in on this side.
Right. It's upside down.
Huh?
You're plugging it in upside down. It is. I hate how those cables are. They're the most backwards ass things ever.
Yeah, that makes no fucking sense.
I know.
And then you gotta run it up.
Yeah, you're supposed to run it up and down.
So I should put in, according to their rules, I should put in the one that this won't reach at all first.
You're supposed to plug in multiples. Don't worry. I have multiples of those cables for the thermal type things, so don't worry about it.
Okay. I don't see how this is gonna reach fucking the CD and the fucking hard drive at the same time.
Here's a trick. Here's a trick.
Oh, okay, nice.
CD drive now plugs into there.
All right, yeah, that might actually do it.
Yeah. Wherever the CD drive is, I lost it again.
I saw it, dude. Is it on? Did I set it on the? No, right here, dude, in front of the. Yeah, right in front of our fucking faces, man. All right. I'm fucking back in the world of fucking printing CDs that I don't. Where the fuck would you use?
Unplug the SATA.
I am. Oh. See what it's catching.
I haven't used a CD drive in so many years. There we go.
Okay, this plugs all the way down, right?
Yeah.
No, right here. I see it. These ones should have fucking clips and they don't. Anyway. Okay, that should be okay. Now, the big one part plugs in back on the other side.
Yep. Him again. Whoops.
What?
That's for the floppy. Yeah, this case is so old it has a floppy drive bay.
Oh.
Yeah, it plugs in through the other way. Ignore it for now.
floppy bay? Really?
Yeah.
Remember when I first touched a computer, fucking, they gave us each our own floppy disk like it was some fucking great big super special thing that you'd never get again in your life, you know? Fucking, we all fucking treated our little floppy disk all fucking nice and shit. Took it for a little typing class. But come to find out, this thing was a dime a fucking dozen. Those cheap bastards just wanted to give us one. Let's try. Okay, I need some zip strips, like maybe 2.
I just had my like giant bundle of them too.
Yeah, I know. That's why I thought you just had them out. That's why I was asking for one. Or tape. I don't give a fuck, dude. Just something to make this disappear with. I mean, I can tape them up as well as zip strip them. I'm just pushing them off to the back side of the fucking cabinet anyway.
Here's one.
Oh, okay, nice.
I have a bunch of those gigabyte ones.
I don't care what they are.
Yeah, I don't like.
I thought I'd sell your zip strips. The you know what I mean?
Yeah, I think I know where I threw them. Yeah, I threw them over here.
Nice. I don't want to use all your good ones on you. I said I don't want to use all these good ones on you. We can buy fucking other box of fucking zip strips.
These are a dime a dozen. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
I don't need that many of them for my rigs. That's one of the cheaper ones. So. Nah, they if you buy a modern motherboard, they all come with them. Power supplies come with them. Well, the ASUS stuff doesn't come with them.
Really? These things don't cause like fucking static buildup opening them and closing them in here?
No.
Okay. Interesting. I would have very much thunk it. Okay. Now.
Looks good to me. The hell's that?
Huh?
Oh.
Yeah, hold on. I'm getting it. Okay. Problem.
What?
Come here. Look.
That,
okay, this one. Hold on.
That's for the AC97. You'll have an AC97 in there. Don't worry about it.
Okay, so it doesn't plug into anything.
No.
I was gonna say, oh my god, I unplugged it without remembering. Okay, where does it go? Right here. This one.
What?
The one that I'm pointing at.
No, it's already plugged in.
No, look. I unplugged this one.
Oh, which one?
USB.
Yeah, that goes into USB.
Like this one?
Yeah.
Oh. or any one of those three?
Uh, they're actually labeled. So
USB 1, USB 910, and USB 113. So it doesn't. It don't matter which one it goes in.
As long as the correct direction.
Right, which is that way down, this way up.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, the tripod is starting to fall apart.
Huh?
The tripod on the webcam.
Oh.
This is such a high quality video. Only the best. It's all the way over in the other end.
Way over here.
Yeah.
That's what I thought. Just don't want to fucking line up right or something. Okay, I think I got that. No, I don't. Okay. Don't get no better than that.
That stuff you don't have to unplug, it's already fine.
I know, I'm just pushing them back. I wasn't gonna get into unplugging those fucking things. You're fucking kidding me. I saw what it looked
Worst
like.
comes to worst, I have a little nifty device that helps with that.